Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So KCET Counselling has already started and round 1 option entry process has also started. So I hope everyone will be busy in doing the preference list, in preparing the preference list, in doing research about different colleges, different courses, searching their cutoff and so on and so on. So in this video, we'll be discussing the preparatory work at home that you must do before going to option entry, before going to the actual filling of options. Okay, so this is very important video, so please watch it completely so that you don't mess up or you don't miss out on any college and you end up in getting a college that you don't deserve. Okay, so yes, let us start with this video, very important one. Please watch it completely. So first one is, why is it important? Why should we do preparatory work? Okay, what is the need of that? So you can see here, allotment of seats. Okay, whatever KEA will allot you the seat, that will depend only on the preference list that you have prepared. You may have got rank 1, but if your preference list is not correct, you will not end up getting the best college. So that is why the KEA depends on what? Completely depends on your preference list to give you the college. So that is why it is very important to make this preference list the best possible according to your rank, according to your category. So that is why it is important. Okay, so utmost important to familiarize oneself with the operation of the computer, locking of seats, so that the correct options in order of the preference are entered. Okay, next, this is very important. Even a small mistake in entering the options may deprive a valuable seat in the desired college or course, even though he or she is eligible for that seat as per his or her rank. That is what I told you. If you are eligible, you are deserving, you are like very well deserving for a seat in a college, but your option entry is not done in a smart way, is not done in a strategic way, is not done without proper research, you will end up in getting a college that you don't deserve. Okay, so that is why it is very important. Now this is suggested by KEA in their official information bulletin. A homework of about an hour every day is necessary for the students to familiarize themselves with the allotment. Okay, so it is very important that you just devote every day 1 hour 2 hour time to understand the system, to understand how the option entry process is taking place. Now we will see. Okay, I told you why it is important, right? We all have understood that yes, it is important because we will be getting our college and seat based on this preference list. So that is why we must prepare the best preference list. Then we have to, now next the question is then what we should do. Okay, what according to the what preparatory work you should do at home. So yes, let us see what all things you have to do. First thing that you have to do is note the name of the college, the course offered in the separate sheet of paper. So just note down the colleges that you want to join, the courses that you want to join in this college. So note down in a paper all the colleges, all the courses that you are interested to join. Now second thing is to find out the cutoff rank for that particular college and course. Suppose you have listed 10 colleges. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, all these colleges, for example, the college rank is around 3, the cutoff is from 300 to 4000, and here it is 350 to 8000 something, all the cutoff ranks you can get. Now you check according to your rank which colleges are falling and which colleges are not falling in your rank. Okay, that is the second important thing. Now preparatory work should be done or commenced only after the merit or rank card. Yes, after getting a rank only you should start. The priority of options among the colleges selected should be noted down. Okay, so once you have seen, so out of this 10 colleges, suppose you found out that college number 1 and 2 are not falling in my rank list, so just remove them. Keep these colleges which are there in your rank list and then start giving them priority. Okay, this one is my first priority, this college is my second priority, this college is my third priority. So just note down the priorities. Okay, next, so here one help is given by the KEA, that is mock allotment. So what happens once you are done with the preference list, you have saved the choices, there is one mock allotment by the KEA. What is this mock allotment? It will tell you based on the preference that you have filled which college and which course you would be getting. But it is very important to remember here that the the course that you have got is should not be assumed that it is the final seat and the final course that you are getting. Why? Because after the mock allotment is done, again the students can change the preferences, right? So in that way you may not get the seat what you are getting in the mock allotment. So why this is done? This is only done so that you can understand based on your feelings or based on your choice filling what college and course you might be getting. Okay, so based on that you can do any changes if you want. Next, what another thing you have to know, the verification slip, okay, what you have received, there all the datas are given about you. Like what datas are given? About the rank, your rank, then your discipline in which you are eligible, any special category if you have. Okay, so these all things, if you know that you have any category, then you can check the rank under that category. Suppose you are belonging to SNQ quota, then see the cutoff for that quota, right? So these all things, first you have to check your rank, what is your rank, what is, if you have any category, and which disciplines you are eligible. If you are eligible for more disciplines, then you have to fill the preference list according to that. Okay, so first thing is you have to know about yourself. What is your rank, what is your category, what is your discipline you are eligible. Okay, these three things first you know, first point. Second point, based on this eligibility, check all the courses and the colleges that you want. Third, the cutoff, which all colleges fall in your category, sort them out. And then fourth is giving them the priorities. Okay, so now it is better to write the order of options on a white paper and discuss the same with your parents, guardians or mentors before actually entering into the system. See, once you lock the choices, there's nothing you can do about it. So once you fill, just talk to your parents, talk to your seniors, okay, talk to the people who have studied in those colleges. Take their feedback, take their guidance, so some elder person who have experience in this field so that they can help you. You can also comment down if you have any doubt in this regarding the process, will definitely help you. Okay, so yes, so students, option entry is one of the most important part of the counseling. Everything will be decided on the way you are filling it, right? So that is why do not do any mistake. Just take your time, do proper research, and if you want any help, please comment down, will definitely help you. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more updates, and all the very best for your KCET 2024 option entry round.